All right, let's talk about a huge change that's making your browser a literal fortress.
For years, it's been this constant cat-and-mouse game between websites and data scrapers.
See, websites used to rely on session cookies. Think of them like keys left under the doormat.
Which meant hackers could just grab that key and walk right in, bypassing all your security.
So websites fought back. They started analyzing the very first digital handshake your computer makes.
Turns out, a simple script shakes hands way differently than a real browser. Kinda easy to spot.
But of course, scrapers got clever. They built new tools that could fake that handshake perfectly.
This led to a massive escalation, a totally new weapon that's changing the game forever.
It's called Device-Bound Session Credentials, or DBSC. And trust me, it's a huge deal.
So forget the key under the doormat. This is like a biometric hand scanner. You need the actual hand.
And it all works thanks to a secure black box in your computer, the Trusted Platform Module, or TPM.
Here's the gist. Your browser creates a secret key on that chip. The server sends a challenge, and only your device can sign it.
And here's the magic trick. That secret private key never leaves the chip. It physically cannot be stolen.
So, what happens if a script steals this new bound cookie and tries to use it somewhere else?
Access denied. The cookie is completely worthless without the original device to sign the server's challenge.
This makes lightweight scraping of secure sites basically a thing of the past. It's a whole new ballgame.
The core idea here is huge. We're moving from what you have, a file, to where you are, the hardware.
But as access gets tied to physical devices, what does that mean for an open and accessible internet?